Let's now take a look at live looping chord progressions with the Ableton Push. I'm going to live loop two different parts. I'm going to start off with a mellow pad sound. So this is what I'm working with. And then on top of this, I'm going to add like a rhythmic element with this sound. To make this process slightly easier for me, I'm going to make use of the fixed length feature on the Ableton Push. So if I tap and hold fixed length, you can see here the recording length can be set to specific bars. So for example, if I set it to 1 bar, I can record 1 bar and Live will automatically loop that recording. I actually want 2 bars, so I'll tap and hold fixed length and set it to 2 bars. Now I'm going to tap fixed length one more time. And if the LED there is blinking, we know that that feature has been turned on. All right, now I'm going to switch back to the pad sound and go ahead and record that part. Switching over to the chords. Now, if the part you played in has slight timing inaccuracies, you can tap and hold quantize, choose a quantization amount, quantization value, and then tap quantize again to quantize the part. So that's how you can live loop chord progressions.